This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has a brand new roof. The first floor consists of a combined living and dining room, spacious kitchen, the master bedroom and bath, and a large laundry room. The second floor houses 2 additional bedrooms and the second bath. Features include some wood laminate flooring. All of the appliances, convey and the ceiling fans on the second floor are new. Parking is a snap thanks to the carports with extra storage on both sides of the home. Nestled on a quiet, low-traffic street, yet you're convenient to several schools, Tyndall AFB in downtown Panama City. All info is approximately and must be verified by buyers if important.